Hello, I'm happy to see you here. Today we will talk about lunch. So I will tell you what did I have for lunch today. You can open your notebooks and write the title. My lunch today. Onda otvorite bilježnice i napišite naslov My lunch today. Možete uvijek zaustaviti video i napisati što vam treba i opet krenuti. So, what did I have for lunch today? What's this? If you know, write it down in your notebook. If you know what this is, write it down in your notebook. I also needed this for my lunch, so if you know what this is, write it down in your notebook. If you know what this is, write it down in your notebook. What's this? If you know what this is, write it down in your notebook. What's this? Write it down in your notebook. So this is what I needed for my lunch today. Ingredients: leek, potatoes, water, oil, salt, and pepper. Have you got this in your notebook? If you don't, copy. And how did I prepare my lunch today? So here are the instructions. First, I peeled the potato. Then I chopped the potato. I boiled it for 15 minutes. Then I chopped the leek. Then I add leek, salt, and oil. Mix it all together. I boil it again and add pepper. Copy the instructions. If you need more time, stop the video. So, this was my lunch today, and you can share what you had to eat today. Bye.